Johanna.
Hey guys, today's video is all about washi tape. Firstly, I just want to thank Washi Wednesday for sponsoring this video. My last washi haul was with this store, and you guys have seen me use the tapes time and time again here on my channel, so I'm super excited to be opening another parcel of tapes from the shop. I'm going to be doing a little unboxing of the tapes that I received from Washi Wednesday, and then for the second part of the video, I'm going to share some of my top 10 ideas for using washi tape in your journals and journal spreads. So this is a little package of washi tapes from Washi Wednesday. I'll link their websites below so you can go and check them out. I've done a whole video with some items from this shop before, and you guys always ask me where I got those particular tapes from. So if you're wondering, that is where I got all of these beautiful wide tapes last time. And these are by far the best tapes I've ever bought, and so much so to the point that I'm only using these tapes really, and I kind of want to go through my old washi tapes and clean out all the ones that I haven't been using. So anyway, let's open this package and have a look. This is like a little matte washi tape. It's very sticky still, so I'm going to keep this and put it into my journals. Okay, so these are the tapes that I got. They are super beautiful, oh my goodness. So I will open these up and show you close up. But first, I just wanted to share this little coupon code that they've shared. So you can get 10% off your first order with the code Etsy10WW. So they have an Etsy shop and they also have a website if you want to go and check them out. So the first tape I got is this beautiful William Morris tape. So this is beautiful and so wide. This one is called Chrysanthemum Toil, I think is how you say it. But yeah, that one's beautiful. The next design I got is also a William Morris design. It's called Pink and Rose. Obviously it's blue. It's very beautiful as well. The next design I got is called Larkspur. This is also another William Morris tape, so it looks like this. Very, very pretty. The next little roll of tape I got is this one. This one is another MT brand tape. So this tape is really cool because it has little tickets. You can see that it's actually perforated between each ticket, so you can easily just tear off one ticket at a time. I thought that would be a really fun tape to use in my journals and my journal entries. The next tape I got is this one. This tape is a little bit different to the normal washi tapes that you might see because this one is lots of little stickers designed into one washi roll. So you can actually just peel off one sticker at a time and they just come on a handy little roll of washi tape. So I chose this one with the leaves because I thought this would be fun to use on scrapbook layouts and to decorate my journal and my planner. I just thought that the leaf design was really versatile and I could mix and match it with floral stickers. So there's that really fun one. And then the last one is this tape. This is a thin regular size tape and it's got a pretty floral design on it. And then Washi Wednesday also sent me this little sample card, which is super cute. So they've just sent a couple of other little designs to try out there on that card. So with the new tape arrivals, you can see that I have a nice little collection of William Morris tapes. These are definitely my favourite tapes in my collection. I use them all the time. You can see that I've used these ones a little bit compared to these new ones on the side here. But because they're so wide, they do definitely go a really long way. All of these tapes here are also from Washi Wednesday. So these are tapes you've seen me using a lot and some of the new ones that I got today. But definitely the quality of these tapes is much better than the other tapes I've gotten from like eBay and AliExpress. I thought I would share some of my ideas for using washi tape in your journals. So if you would like to see my top 10 ideas for using washi tape in your journals and notebooks, then just keep watching. The first and maybe most obvious way to use washi tape is to stick things onto your journal pages. The one thing I really love about these particular tapes is the quality and the stickiness. You can stick in flowers or paper mementos like receipts, postcards, tickets, or decorative pieces like journal cards. You can also use washi tape on its own to create pretty borders or banners, use it to underline titles, or just to decorate a blank space. Sometimes on a journal page you find you don't have enough room for your entire spread, but you don't want to start a whole new page either. So washi tape can be a great tool for adding in extra pages, envelopes, or journaling space. You can add these in with washi tape, in the crease in the middle of your journal page, or on the edge of a page or anywhere else that you'd like for an interactive additional space. Another way to use washi tapes is to make your own easy pockets. You can do this by taking a page in your journal, folding it over, and using the tape to stick it to the edges of the following page. This is a great way to make a large pocket in a journal that's already bound. These William Morris tapes that I got from Washi Wednesday are so fun to use because of how wide they are. You can also use tapes seamlessly beside each other to create a background on the page. With these wider tapes, it doesn't use that much tape at all to do this. Another decorative idea is to apply the tapes on the edges of your pages. If you do this to an entire notebook, it looks really pretty to see a peek of the designs even when your book is shut. Washi tape is a great tool for travel journaling too, as it takes up minimal space in a pencil case but is super versatile and useful. If you have loose photographs, you can instantly attach them to a page with washi tape. You can also use a smaller piece on top of a photo as a label, if you wish to annotate your photo. Washi tape can be used as an organisational tool within your journal too. You can use it to colour code entries or section your book. A really fun way I use my tapes in my journals is to create a little washi swatch collection page. It's a great way to remember the tapes you once adored and keep a small piece of them forever, even once you've used them up on other projects. The last idea I'm sharing in this video is a handy tip for emergency situations such as a rip in your page. If you happen to get a hole or tear in your page, you can easily patch it up with washi tape by applying it on both sides of the damage. It will reinforce the paper and help stop the page from ripping any further. So that's it. 10 easy and fun ways to put all your pretty washi tapes to use in your journals. I hope you enjoyed this video. Leave me a comment below with your favourite way to use washi tape, and make sure you check out Washi Wednesday if you like the tapes I featured in this video. See you next time.